Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the object whose origin you need to reset. Click in Object Mode so Blender knows which item to modify, and make sure overlays are visible so you can see the current origin point. Once done, inspect the object's geometry and note where you want the new origin to be: center, base, or a custom vertex. This early choice determines the method you'll use next, so decide now whether you need the origin at geometry center, cursor, or bounding box midpoint. Now position the 3D cursor where you want the origin. Use Shift+S and pick Selection to Cursor or Cursor to Selected to snap precisely. For vertex level control, enter Edit Mode and snap the cursor to a chosen vertex. Then switch back to Object Mode and use Object Menu Set Origin and pick Origin to 3D Cursor or Origin to Geometry, depending on your intent. This sequence transfers the logical pivot while leaving mesh data intact, which matters for rotations and modifiers later. Finish by applying transforms to avoid unexpected behavior. Press Ctrl+A and apply rotation and scale if needed, then test rotations and parent relationships to confirm the new origin works. If objects behave oddly, it's often because transforms weren't applied or the wrong origin method was used. Undo, reposition the 3D cursor, and set the origin again. One key troubleshooting tip: if snapping seems off, enable face snapping or use median vertex snap to ensure cursor placement is exact before setting the origin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.